Now we are going to discuss that wave particle duality of matter. In previous lectures, we have discussed that wave particle duality of radiations. In that, we have considered that the radiation possesses wave as well as particle nature. And in this article, we are going to see that the wave particle duality of matter. We know that matter it is consists of small particles and already it have a particle nature. But when these particles or matters are in motion which have energy E and momentum suppose P, then according to de Broglie, these moving particles which associates a wave and this wave have a wavelength. We know that lambda is equal to h upon P, or we can say that h upon mass into velocity. We know that suppose this particle which is in motion, that means under certain conditions this matter shows a wave like properties, and these wave like properties are called as an we can say that, or this phenomenon which is known as an wave particle duality of matter. A particle which is moving, that means under certain conditions shows a wave like properties. This is called as an wave particle duality of matter. In classical theories, this frequency omega and wave number used for the wave properties, or we can describe the wave properties by using frequency omega and wave number k. And also the particle properties can be described by using mass m and momentum p in the classical theories. That is, for a matter, or we can say that for a material particle, this wave particle nature is observed when this matter or a particle which have motion. That means we have also learned that the subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, electrons, they possesses a waves, because we have confirmed that according to electron scattering from the metals, or we can also know that the diffraction of electron when it is scattered by metal. We know that these subatomic particles, they are microscopic in nature. That means their size which is less than or equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. These materials or particles called as an microscopic particles. We come across a wave particle duality of matter because the quantum nature of microscopic particles, that is nothing but whose size is less than 10 to the power minus 6 meter. The macroscopic objects, that means whose size is greater than this 10 to the power minus 6 meter, called as an macroscopic. Suppose if you consider an example of when a car which is moving on a 20-meter road which have mass 1200 kg, and this car is moving with velocity 60 km per hour, then this velocity of this car 60 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by 3600 meter per second. This will be the velocity of this car, and when we find out the momentum p is equal to mv of this car, that is nothing but 1200 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by 3600, it will get, when we calculate this, 20,000 kg meter per second. This should be the momentum of this car. And when we apply de Broglie hypothesis for this, that means what should be the de Broglie wavelength which is associated with this moving car. This is nothing but lambda equal to h upon p, where h is Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by this 20,000, which is nothing but momentum kg meter per second. This will gives you that lambda, which is equal to 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 38 meter, which is very less as compared to the 20-meter road. That means the wavelength associated with this car, which is negligible. It will present there, but it is very less than this size of this road. That means this car can be easily moved on the road. This wavelength associated with this car very 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 38 meter. So for macroscopic examples, we cannot consider that this wavelength, which is very less, and it can be negligible. Now suppose a electron which is having energy 100 electron volt, which is passing through a hole of 2 angstrom unit, then or hole whose size is 2 angstrom, if the energy of or kinetic energy of electron 100 electron volt, that is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiplied by 100. This is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. This much amount of energy with which this electron can be moved through a hole of 2 angstrom or size of 2 angstrom unit. Then this kinetic energy, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 17, when we calculate the velocity of this electron, that means under root of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 17 multiplied by 2 divided by 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31. Then we get that the velocity of electron, which is nothing but 0.593 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. And also when we find out its momentum, P is equal to mv, if mass of electron 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg multiplied by the speed 0.593 into 10 to the power 7, we get that momentum 5.40 into 10 to the power minus 24 kg meter per second. When we find out what should be the wavelength associated with this electron, because it is in a motion and it is a subatomic particle, so its momentum we have find out here, its velocity we have find out here, then what should be the de Broglie's wavelength? H upon P, if you substitute the value 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 5.40 into 10 to the power minus 24, you will get that this is nothing but 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, or in angstrom 1.23 angstrom unit. So this is less than the size of hole, or this is 2 angstrom unit. So this electron can easily pass through the hole because its wavelength is less than angstrom unit. It is nothing but 1.23 angstrom. Photon picture allows transfer of energy and momentum in same manner as in Newtonian mechanics. Wave nature does not modify that. Whenever wavelengths are small compared to the dimensions of slits of obstacles or not measurable, we can use Newtonian mechanics. In conclusion, for both electromagnetic radiations and atomic and subatomic particles, particle nature is dominant during their interaction with matter. On the other hand, while traveling through space, particularly when their confinement is of same order of magnitude as their associated wavelengths, the wave nature is dominant.